Hello you guys, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of opening a savings account in Truist Bank online. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.truist.com and hit enter. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Truist Bank. Now, click on Checking and Savings section and then go to Savings. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to a new page. So click on Savings and then click on Open Now in order to open Truist Online Savings Account. After that, you'll have to set up your account options, fill out some personal information including your social security number and make your first deposit. To get started, click on Start Application. After that, answer if you are a Truist client or not. If you select yes, you'll be asked for your login credentials, but if you select no, then you'll be asked for your zip code. So enter your zip code and then click on Continue. Now, you can also add Truist Pride Checking or Truist Fundamental Checking or both of these to your account. But if you don't want it, click on No Thanks. Now, you'll be asked for your personal information such as your first name, middle name, last name, suffix. After that, you'll have to select whether you are a US citizen, permanent resident alien or non-resident alien. After that, enter your date of birth, social security number, phone number, and email address. If your mobile number is correct, check on this box right here. After that, provide the information about your address, your occupation, and answer if you would like to add a joint applicant or not. Once you have done that, read the information provided here, and finally check on this box once you have reviewed this information and confirmed it is correct. After that, click on Continue. Then follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you'll be able to open savings account in Truist Bank online. So, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.